Hi, I'm sitting here with Shantanu, who heads up our Creative Virtual India business.
Hey guys.
He's going to tell us what's hot, what's trending in the Indian market with regards to conversational AI.
In terms of the new technologies that are out there, and when you consider large language models as an example, we're finding a mix of awareness. So some large organizations are definitely very well aware. In fact, they're trying out a few things themselves, and they're sort of looking at getting our assistance and expertise and being able to tweak that entire workflow better.
Yeah.
So that's something that we're observing. At the same time, some other organizations they've heard about large language models, and all that they know is that can we just use ChatGPT in this? That's the conversation. So they're at a very very basic level.
Yeah.
But that is where we are then having to educate them to a certain extent as well.
Yeah.
So that's essentially the large part, and then obviously there are other requirements where a lot of people the smaller institutions, for example the small personal finance banks, for example, they have now started taking interest in solutions, in omni-channel solutions, because their business has grown after COVID as well. So that's a different avenue that we are pursuing, that's something that we are tracking as well.
And those smaller ones, I guess this opens up the sort of that would normally be the enterprise level conversational AI systems. Now with the maintenance being so low and the barrier to entry with the large language models coming in, I guess that opens up a whole new market for those smaller organizations.
Because the time to train, the time to the amount of effort required for maintenance dropping significantly, it suddenly becomes an attractive proposition for the smaller institutions as well. And these are the institutions where the IT divisions have traditionally been back-end support teams, but now the banks or these institutions have started looking forward, because they have to stay afloat and compete with the big boys.
And it's amazing, in terms of what we're seeing in these organisations, because from the top down, we're seeing the sort of CEOs say, look, I've heard about this technology, I've read about these large language models like ChatGPT, for example. We need to be doing something about this, we need to be implementing it. But the business units themselves, the business teams, we're finding have very little experience and are really looking to organisations.
Exactly.
That's what we're seeing.
That's exactly where we bring in a lot of value.